went through my stash and I found this lemon door hanger. Yo, look how cute this is. This is super cute lemon door hanger. And I want to make a quick, easy wreath that I know y'all could make it too. So I attached my pipe cleaners to this grapevine form. So all I'm doing is I'm just going to run my pipe cleaner through that grapevine. We're going to run it the same way up here. So I'm still keeping some of the grapevine visible. You can see it kind of right there on the edge. It's not a lot, but I don't want this outside of my I really don't want this hanging outside of my grapevine wreath. So we've attached our lemon. Now look how cute that already looks. Just that lemon, and we are going to make a bow and we're going to put some florals on this side. And you always want to make sure that you're fluffing out your florals. That's one important thing about working with silk flowers or really just any kind of floral stem. You want to make sure you're fluffing out that stem. And of course, this is going to be intertwined with that 60919. And the same thing with this. You always want to make sure that you're really fluffing out those stems. Really just give your picks and your stems some life. So that's kind of what I have so far. That's kind of my idea. Something like this. Probably just using two and probably 2 lemon picks. And then we're going to make a bow as well. So, like before, sometimes I do some projects that require hot glue or a lot of hot glue. In this case, I really don't need a lot of hot glue, y'all. So this is actually something you could do that's a no glue project. And I love doing those because then, let's say you wanted to reuse that pick on something, you could do that. So I'm going to go ahead and zip tie them as well. Zip tie this one. And so that's kind of what we have so far. So we've left the spot perfect enough for a bow. We're going to make that bow real quick. So I normally don't make my bows on a bow maker. So I just really kind of like to make sure that my tails can be woven in and out. So I just made a tail. I'm going to pinch it. Make me a loop. So let's see how long that is. That's about 12. Actually, it's 11 inches. So I'm making an 11-inch, looping it, pinch, and twist. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to measure another 11 inches, pinch, and twist. The important part of making your bow is that pinch and twist, because you don't want to see just the ugly side. You want to make sure you see the pretty side. Let's see, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do another 11 inches as well. Pinch and twist. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's going to be perfect. So now I'm going to add in a 2.5 inch solid yellow, and I kind of want this the loops to be a little bit bigger. So I want to go ahead, I want to go to the 12-inch mark, and that's going to give my bow just a little bit more fullness. So you'll see that they're kind of layered. So when you layer those on top of each other, that should be about a one inch longer than this one. Okay, so that's measuring that at 12 inches. And then I'm going to measure 13 inches. So my 4-inch ribbon will be at the 13-inch mark. Yes. Okay. Y'all know I hardly ever measure, but this is about a standard size bow for me that I do. Okay, so just getting my zip tie. I'm going to zip tie those all together. So I'm just going to get me a pipe cleaner. I'm going to run that in the middle of the bow. So just like that. This is kind of what we have so far, y'all, for our bow. So we're going to place our bow right in between there. So we're just cutting our ribbons. Kind of want this one to be the longest. Okay, so y'all, that's our bow and our lemon. But I do want to add in those lemons, those lemon picks. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add those in. And this pick we are going to glue in. So I just stuck that one in. I'm going to go back and I'm going to glue it. You can always zip tie these in, y'all. Curl those wires right there. So you see, like I said, what a big difference really fluffing out your stem does to working all those wires and such that are inside those florals. So, like I said, I am going to glue this one in. So I put some dabs of glue right in there. And I'm going to do the same thing to this one. So, y'all, that's what we have. That's our lemon wreath. So super quick, easy project.